Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my second personal finance video for education purposes. I will upload many more investments one-on-one videos in the coming weeks. Over the next 2 minutes, you will see the animation of the future portfolio value of an initial $10,000 investment over 4 decades. An inflation rate or taxes in general are not being considered here. A realistic average annual return rate from the stock market for a retail investor of 5% is assumed. But please remember that past returns do not predict future returns. The line chart will gradually show the value of a hypothetical investment account over a time frame of 40 years. This is a possible period a typical retail investor could be invested in the stock market, assuming he or she starts investing at an age of roughly 25 with the goal to hopefully being able to retire at an age of 65. The displayed graph of the value of this hypothetical investment portfolio is obviously simplified and wouldn't look this linear in the real world. But for the simplicity of this example, zero volatility and a constant return rate were assumed. This is an easy example to show the power of compound interest. You will see that the relatively speaking small initial investment grew over the years to a substantial amount. I hope you learned something in this video, and I'm sure you will like my future uploads too. It would help me out massively if you would like and subscribe. That being said, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and take care.